Namaste everyone, welcome back to Interior Design by Sandipa Tamang. आजको भिडियोमा I'm sharing 15 plus stunning plant styling ideas to make your home look calm, beautiful and natural aesthetic. So let's begin. Number 1. Staircase plant styling. Place small to medium sized plant on steps or corners for elegant vibes. Number 2. Textured pots. Use ceramics, terracotta or matte pots to uplift plant styling. Number 3. Balcony jungle look. Mix hanging, floor and railing plants to create a mini jungle. Number 4. Shelf plus plant plus book. Combine decor books with plants for a sophisticated feel. Number 5. Plant tray styling. Arrange mini greens on a tray for neat organized decor. Number 6. Statement large planter. One large planter is enough to make a bold interior statement. Number 7. Macrame hanging holders. Add softness and aesthetic boho vibes to any corner. Number 8. Plant with art frame. Greenery looks beautiful near wall art or photo frames. Number 9. Pet friendly plant zones. Use non-toxic plants like spider plant, areca palm, pothos, high up. Number 10. Colored foliage plants. Use croton, calatheas or red aglaonema to add natural colors. Number 11. Z meditation corner. Add calming plants like bonsai, bamboo or peace lily. Number 12. Plant trio roots. Tall plus medium plus small. Create a visually balanced grouping for any corner. Number 13. Shelf edge plant. Pothos or ivy trailing from the edge gives you a soft cascading effects. Number 14. Planters with stands. Raise the height, keep floors clean and looks modern. Number 15. Outdoor entrance plant. Use big pots with plant or rubber plants for a welcoming entry. Number 16. Dining table mini vase. Keep a low plant or fresh flowers, elegant and practical. And lastly, number 17. Wooden plant bench. Create a plant display using a wooden bench for rustic charm. And this was our list of 15 plus stunning plant styling ideas to elevate your home naturally. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Interior Design by Sandipa Tamang. See you in the next video. Bye.